Hi, welcome back. So we're in chapter 1 introduction to discuss the outline of data platform. In this outline, I'm going to just share with you a principal pyramid that is important to understand in order to actually visualize the meaning of prediction. As we have explored in the previous section, the principle of data and how we could look at data from the wider image of existence. So if you would have a certain a numerical form, for example, just an existence of numbers, something like that, and I'm using these particular numbers, they could have been any other form. When you have these data has been measured and identified, these are just only data. We need to take a step further to make it a better, more intuitive. And this is where we work to the second step of making this information. And this data become information when it is given a certain label. Those labels are understood, perceptually understood by people. So I might have the weight of the person, and this weight has a meaning in the environment where the problem is emerged. So I have now information. And once you have the information, you start to do the set of analysis that you need, discover relationships, understand the behavior of the entire variables, how they're working together. And once you are done, you have a sort of analytical model that is explaining this particular vector. And this is where we have what's so-called the knowledge about the problem that actually identify these set of variables at the first place. And once you have this analytical model and you have the comprehensive understanding on this problem, you would like to generalize that model. And this is the step of having an intelligence. So the idea started from data to information to knowledge to intelligence. This mechanism defined the principle or the system of prediction. This path is what defined the actual purpose of such course like prediction from the start to the end. Next, we'll be looking at something called the timeline representative. I will see you then.